Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change frame rate in Inshot on iPhone. But before I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your Inshot here, and after if you want to change for the frame rate, just go ahead to this gear icon at the top right in the corner of your screen, and now just go ahead to this video settings, just tap on it, and after we'll find out here the frame rate options guys. So this frame option is frequency at which frames are captured or displayed in your video. So if you want to change it, for example here I'm gonna use the lower one, which is 24 fps, or for example here I'm gonna use the high one, and the higher fps means smoother movement with common rates like 24 fps for cinematic looks, 30 fps for TV or online video, and the high one which is 60 fps or more for sports and gaming to reduce motions, blur and capture actions. If you want to save it, you just have to go back because it will save automatically guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.